Struggling with a broken toenail? Don't let a little mishap keep you down. In this comprehensive tutorial, we break down the steps for fixing your toenail in no time. From comforting remedies to expert tips, we've got you covered. Whether it's a sporting injury, gardening mishap, or just an accident, knowing how to manage toe troubles wisely is essential. Join us and learn all the tricks to painlessly secure and beautify your broken nail. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to fast fixes. Toe troubles, fear no more. In today's video, we show you how to fix a broken toenail quickly and easily. Whether it's from an accident, a sports injury, or just everyday wear and tear, we've got you covered with step-by-step solutions. Learn how to relieve pain, prevent infection, and mend that broken nail like a pro. We'll also share tips on recovery and keeping your nails healthy. Watch now to rescue those toes from distress. Say goodbye to wet band-aids and unruly toenails. In this must-see video, we dive into the ultimate guide on how to fix a broken toenail quickly and safely. Whether it's from an unfortunate stub or fashion mishap, we've got you covered. Watch step-by-step instructions, DIY remedies, and pro tips that will have your toe looking fabulous again in no time. Don't let a mishap slow you down. Hit play, learn how to fix that swooped that sole peak, and keep your feet happy all season long. We dive into the ultimate guide on how to fix a broken toenail with easy steps you can follow at home. Whether you've snagged it on furniture or suffered from an unfortunate chip, we've got you covered. Learn handy tips on DIY manicures, nail care must-haves, and how to avoid future mishaps. Plus, discover when it's time to seek professional help. Don't let a broken toenail ruin your day. Hit play to transform those struggling with a broken toenail. You're not alone. In this video, we will guide you through every step of the process to effectively fix your broken toenail and get back on your feet in no time. From quick DIY home remedies to expert tips on caring for your nail, we've got you covered. Whether you had an accidental snag or a minor injury, our comprehensive guide will help you heal and maintain healthy toenails. Watch as we take you through the ultimate guide to fixing a broken toenail. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll cover evidence-based techniques to relieve pain, prevent infection, and properly repair your toenail at home. Whether it's a cracked, split, or completely broken toenail, our easy-to-follow tips will ensure you're back on your feet in no time. Learn about quick fixes, important aftercare tips, and when to seek professional help. Don't let a broken toenail slow you down. Reclaim your carefree stride today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more essential health and beauty hacks. Let's get back on our feet.